Morning. We are starting officially 11.1. So we've got mean. You've worked with mean in the past, even with, I believe in 4th grade just a little bit, but 5th grade, yes, now 6th grade. Mean is the same thing as finding the average. So to find the mean, you add up all of the data, and then you divide it by the number of pieces of data. So the numerator is the sum, and remember a fraction bar is the same thing as division, so we divide by the number of pieces of data. So let's look at example 1. It says find the mean number of representatives for the 4 states shown in the pictograph. So instead of just being given a list of numbers like maybe you were in 5th grade, now you've got to find the numbers from a visual, right? So this is a pictograph. This is saying that in Tennessee there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 representatives. So the number that represents Tennessee is 9. In Kentucky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number that represents Kentucky is 6. Sorry for you hearing me in the background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 in Virginia. And in Louisiana, we've got 6 again. So we're going to add those 4 numbers up. 9 plus 6 plus 11 plus 6. And eventually, once we get that sum, we're going to divide by the number of numbers. Since we have 4 numbers, we're dividing by 4. So you can use a calculator. 9 plus 6 plus 11 plus 6 gives us 32. We'd need to divide it by 4. And 32 divided by 4 gives us 8. So 8 is our mean. Example 2. So again, it's not just a list of numbers, but it's enough information for us to make our own list of numbers. The dot plot shows the recorded high temperatures for 6 days in Little Rock, Arkansas. Find the mean temperature. So these dots above so in this case 45, there are 2 dots. That means we need to write down 45 twice. So for 2 days it was 45 degrees. Okay, and then we've got 47, we've got 49, 50, and 52. So this is a total of 6 days. So we're going to add all of these numbers up. Then we are going to divide by 6. Alrighty, again, you can use your calculator. Plus 50 plus 52. And we get 288. And we still need to divide that by 6. And when we divide that by 6, we get 48. So 48 is the mean temperature. All right, example 3, we're doing the same thing. We're finding the mean number of runs for the series. So we've got 4-game series. So we've got 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. And again, that's because we've got 1 here, 3 here, a 4, and a 4. So 4 plus 4, we've got 8. Plus 1 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. And we need to divide that by 4. So it's 12 divided by 4. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Alrighty, so today's homework is pretty short and sweet. I will say, I believe it's number, oh shoot, last time I told you this, but there was one that I wrote in the answer key. I said it's challenging, so you can skip it. And then there was another one that I wrote skip on it too. So look at the answer key, but the ones that say skip, don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Alrighty, so have an awesome day, and let me know if you have any questions. And today's supposed to be pretty, so enjoy time outside.